Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. How to do voiceover on your video. Okay, so from time to times we are doing vlogs or we are uh videoing, capturing scenes, and there are noise in the background as well as you might be in your house, but there's noise in the background. And sometimes if you see some videos, you will have like clips, different thing you're talking. So some people or some of us would love to do the voiceover to explain fully what we are doing. So hence we opt to use the voiceover in our videos so we can fully explain what is it that we want you, our subscribers, our viewers to hear. And so if you have not yet learned how to do a voiceover, come with me. I will teach you how to. Okay, so we'll go to our Capcut or whatever editing app you are using, and you will press new project, and I will just take random picture, like say for instance I'm gonna take this carrot and this chocho. Okay, so we're going to add them. Okay, so these are our videos. So depending on where you want to start talking, you can start talking at the beginning, or if you want to go to the middle, it's up to you. So let's start talking from the beginning. Okay, so what you would do now, you would go to audio and you will scroll to the right and you will see recording. Okay, and this is the record button. So when you're ready, ensure that you are ready. You would press this mic that is highlighted here and you would record. So let's record as it reach 1. Hi guys, so I am cutting up carrots here. Here's a carrot. I'm going to use my carrot to make some soup. So this is how I do my carrot. And you would stop your recording. You can check your recording if it's what you want. Hi guys, so I am cutting up carrots here. Here's a carrot. I'm going to use my carrot to make some soup. So this is how I do my carrot. Okay, so this is where we stop, right? This is where we stop. And so this is your voiceover. This is your voiceover. If you need to cut anything from the voiceover, say I want to cut off this section here that says voiceover, because you know normally when you start, hi guys, it take a little time for your voice, so you could highlight and you would just pull it. It best you hold down the bottom here and you can shift it. So you would just shift it where this line, vertical line is. That's where you would cut that section. Okay, and then when you highlight, only when you highlight you can do anything with it. Okay, so you highlight and you go down the bottom and you see split and replace split, and then we'll go again and highlight the front section and we delete it, right? So we don't need the front section, so we delete that. If you want to take this back to the top here, if you want to take it back here, all you have to do is highlight, press down on it to hold and push it to the front. Okay, so you realize it is back to the beginning, right? So let's play. Hey guys, so I am cutting up carrots here. Here's a carrot. I'm going to use my carrot to make some soup. Okay, so this is it. And if, for instance, you are doing your voiceover and you made an error, not a problem. You can cut out that section as well. All you have to do is do like I did with the front section. You can do it anywhere on the voiceover. So if you notice these flat areas are pauses, right? When I pause because I can't speak too fast, right? So I have pause in it. So if you want to cut out the pause, all you have to do is highlight it, press split, and go where I start talking again, press split again, and highlight that section that you don't want, and you delete. You can let it remain the same, or you can just pull it up a little, pull it up to meet the other one. Okay, I hope that this tutorial help you the next time you want to do a voiceover, for you to know and see that it is pretty easy to do a voiceover. Okay, so this is it. I hope you learned something and you will implement it on your next video. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, blessings. Wow, good.